If you want to create stunning email newsletters to send to your list that don't require you to spend hours and hours mucking around with Canva or paying a designer or an agency to create them for you, I'm going to put you on to the most incredible tool for you to set these up with. Basically, my favorite email marketing tool, Flodesk, who I love and use and recommend to everyone, have created a brand new email design tool. This is separate from their normal email marketing tool that you can now try for free while they're in beta. You can either log in with your existing Flodesk account if you have one, or if you've never heard of Flodesk, never used it before, you can just go ahead and put your email in and try this tool anyway, regardless of whether you're a Flodesk user or not. Yep, even if you don't have a Flodesk account and you don't want to use Flodesk for your email marketing, you can actually export the designs you make in this tool and import them into any email marketing tool that supports HTML emails. And at the moment, this tool's free. Once you're logged in, your screen will look like this. And yes, it might look a bit familiar, and that is because this is where you're going to put a prompt in of what you want your email design to be. And Flodesk Studio uses AI to mix up a load of different elements that have been created by real designers to build you some incredible design options. But before we get started with that, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on brand. And if you haven't just imported all your branding over from your Flodesk account, which it will do automatically for you if you're already using Flodesk, you're going to want to go ahead and put in all of your brand details, colors, fonts, and things like that, so that then it's not just designing from scratch, it actually knows your brand and your business. So upload your logo, put in your name, your website, details about your business as well, so that it's actually got context about who you are, plus all of your brand colors, fonts, images of you for any bios, and button styling, and crucially, pop in as much information as you possibly can about your brand voice and what your emails, when you're writing them, how do they typically sound? How do you want to come across? Put all of that in there, and then the output that you're going to get when you put in a prompt into here, it's going to be so much more relevant and refined and specific to your brand. So this is a pretty simple prompt, but you can make it as detailed as you like. I've basically said I want to create a newsletter sharing 3 recent website portfolio projects that I've worked on in an interesting way, along with some storytelling about how I still love what I do, even 11 years later. Let's see what it comes up with. So you are having a chat with an AI here, and I think it's great that it's asked me some clarifying questions to make sure that what it's creating is actually good. Okay, so I've just popped in some rough notes, which is what it's been asking for. But it's asked me some follow-up questions. So for each project, is there anything specific you want to highlight? 11 years, specific story. So I'm just feeding it a bit more information that it needs to put together this email. So what it's trained to do is come up with 3 different, very different design options for you with slightly different styles of emails, which you can then choose from and then refine further. So let's have a look at what it's come up with. So this is the more sort of heavily designed one, and I love all of the really cool and interesting blocks that Flodesk has come up with here. If you click into each one as well, you can just edit it to your heart's content. There's so many different options here on the right hand side. You can obviously click in and start typing. You can even click and drag and drop some elements around, which if you've been using Flodesk's normal email editor with the blocks and everything, you'll know those are quite restricted with what you could do, but this gives you so many more options. Obviously there's the text there that it's come up with, and this is based on all of the context that I've given it in my brand settings about my voice, about my business, and the things that it was asking me in the chat. Now I personally prefer to edit and actually write all of my emails that I send out, but when I am having AI help me write things like blog posts or anything in my business, I will always edit the crap out of it, because I do not want to come across as AI written content. I want to make sure that it's really, really in my voice. It's really capturing everything in my brain, which just, no matter how much context you give AI, it just cannot always do that. So I want to absolutely read through that and edit it a lot. Personally, I would never just like leave it as it is, but it's a great jumping off point if you're stuck for ideas and you need inspiration. Flodesk created all of that, the actual text to go with the design for you, which is great. So if you need inspiration for that, it's a great starting point. Let's have a look at the other designs. So again, they've got more beautiful styled layout blocks here for us to choose from and edit however we see fit. And of course, it's used all of my brand design styling, like my colors, fonts, stuff like that. You can, as I said, click in and change loads of different elements about this, but you can also click the plus button and add tons of other blocks as well. Again, some things that were not available or are not available in the usual Flodesk email editor. So there's like different headers that you can add and lots of different designs coming up here. And this is what Flodesk means when they've had essentially real designers and graphic designers create all of these different sections. These are made by real designers. These are not made by AI. But what the AI in this case is actually doing is when you're putting in a prompt, it's piecing together all of these blocks essentially that's been created by designers in the right way that fits with your business and applying the branding. So I really love how they've used AI very intentionally with this tool, and it's not just let's see and make AI actually create the whole thing for us and not use any like actual human touch in the design. Some of these are so cool, like to share podcast episodes. Let's have a look at banners that they've got here. Loads of different styles that I just would never have thought of to dream up on my own in something like Canva or anything like that. And then you can send a test to yourself to see how it will actually look in your inbox. But this is the coolest part. If you go to export, you can either connect your Flodesk account here and send it via Flodesk, and this is what happens, and I'll show you what happens when we do that. Or you can download the HTML and just upload it into whatever email marketing tool you're using. So whether you are using ConvertKit or Kajabi or MailerLite or basically any email marketing provider that allows you to upload HTML to create your emails, you can just do that. So download the HTML. Flodesk have basically made this an open tool while they're in beta for you to use this with any email marketing tool and send these designs with whoever you choose. So that's now downloaded the HTML file, so I could just go into ConvertKit and upload the HTML design straight into ConvertKit. Obviously, if you then wanted to make any edits to the email, you would have to come back in here, make the edits, and then export it again. But if we go and let's say that you've had a Flodesk account already, if you now click send with Flodesk, let's just export anyway. I haven't connected Instagram, but that's fine. It will then import this design that I've made into my actual Flodesk account, ready for me to send from there to my email subscribers that I've got all in there and everything. I am now in my Flodesk account, and this is the email design that is really messed up because I was just playing around with it. But it basically has the email design here, and if you want to make any changes to it, you can't edit it in the actual Flodesk email editor as you would with your normal Flodesk emails, because obviously Studio's got so many more features. So what you need to do if you want to make any changes to it is click edit in Studio, and it will take you back to the design in here. You make your changes and then you click export again, and then it will update the design and take you back here essentially. So it takes a couple of clickings back and forth if you do want to design in Studio and then move it over to Flodesk's actual email marketing tool, but literally just a couple of clicks. So then you just click next, and then just do what you would normally do for sending your Flodesk emails. Add in your subject line, add in your preview text, all of that, choose who you're sending it to, and press send. And if you are in Studio and you want to refine things more, but you don't want to have to muck around with actually clicking and editing things, you can just chat to it just like you would with a normal AI chatbot, and go back and forth with more designs and variations as well. So I just think this tool is so cool for piecing things together so easily. If you're not a designer, if you're not someone who wants to mess around with loads of fancy blocks and having to apply your branding to things and all of that, this just takes so much time off your hands. And as I said, they're in beta, so if you have any feedback, just send it to them, and they are going to be constantly improving this tool before proper official launch.